Girl Jazz the Artist, bringing you some sauce about AI generated art. So I don't know if you've heard, but it seems like AI art is really starting to make waves. Known Origin just actually had a drop that was focused on GAN or AI, artificial intelligence art, which was actually pretty successful. AI art is art created by artificial intelligence, also known as GAN art, GAN, which stands for Generative Adversarial Network. Again, art based upon code. Basically, where you're able to type in some terms and it will generate a image for you, pulling different images, making basically a composite from images found on the internet. So I'm going to show you how to get started. I've actually been using this app that I found from someone on social media. It's actually pretty sweet. So I am just spreading the love so that you guys know that it's out there and how to use it. It is called Snowpixel.app. Super simple to use. It will generate some awesome images, giving you several different options for you to figure out which image you really kind of like the best. Snowpixel.app, you simply just put it into your browser. You'll notice here on the first page, it gives you some information letting you know that probably the most important things that you want to know is about copyrights, and you own the copyrights for anything that this is going to create. The creation belongs to you. You can use it for any purpose. You can get 10 images, which would be generated in about 30 minutes after you put it all in your keywords. It gives you high definition images, 2048 by 2048, and you do have to pay for credits. That is how it works, but it's actually very affordable. For $10 you get 10 credits, which is going to give you 100 generated images. You can take those images, you can post process them in Photoshop, or you can take them directly as Snowpixel gives them to you and decide whatever the heck you want to do with them. So if you want to sell them as NFTs, you definitely have that option. For $45 you can get 50 credits. So you want to go over here to Snowpixel.app, go ahead and click on the Get Started. It's going to have you log in, which you can log into your email or with your Gmail or however you want to log in. Very simple UI. You're simply going to type in what you want your artwork to look like. Like, where do you want it to pull these images? What type of images do you actually want in this artwork? This is where I say, this is what makes all the difference. Get crazy with your keywords. Like, they have the snows of Kilimanjaro right here. That's too basic. We know what the snows of Kilimanjaro. I want something crazy. So I've actually been like really weirding out with my keywords and allowing it to really create me some crazy looking stuff. For instance, we're going to go ahead and, like I said, it takes 30 minutes. So once you type it in, it's going to process 30 minutes. You'll get an email and tells you that your design is ready for you to come check out. And again, they're going to give you 10 of those. Now, before you can actually type something in here and allow the system to generate it, you do need to buy some credits. So if you click over here on the ellipse, you can go ahead to buy credits. And again, you got the options for 10 credits for $10, 50 credits for 45. Or if you already have some crypto, you can actually buy them with the crypto that you already have. You can see I've been using this a lot, only got 2 credits left. But we're going to go ahead and type in some keywords here, and I'm going to share with you what the artwork actually looks like. So again, me personally, I like to go crazy, mix some things up that truly don't make no sense. So we're going to put in here gold and teal metal robots with sprinkles and hot pink penguins. Crazy, right? And then we're going to go ahead and generate. All right, now we're back and the results have generated. It tells you 30 minutes, you get an email. It'll tell you, hey, log into Snowpixel and look at what's been created. So going off of gold and teal metal robots with sprinkles and hot pink penguins, this is what we get. This first one off the rip, I think is absolutely beautiful. I'd like to take some of my photos into Photoshop afterwards, do a little post-processing, maybe bump up the saturation, maybe even play around with the hue.